Hey, it's Sam here from KitchenGadgetsClub.com and also the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I want to show you just how easy it is to reheat your Camembert using the air fryer. For those times when either it's sat down for too long so it's hardened back up again and you want it all lovely and melty, or you've got leftovers from the day before from your cheese board and you just want a quick fix. I've also got, as well as this lovely Camembert, some leftover chips that need using up as well, so we can reheat one after the other, and then you've got a really quick fix for an easy snack from your leftovers. So, shall we get started? So, I'm going to use my FRYER air fryer. Oh, and if you haven't seen our other video, we've actually done one of doing the Camembert, so do have a look through our videos for that. So I'm going to start with the chips first. So pop your chips in, like that. And then pop them in. And you're looking for a temperature of 160 Celsius. And you're looking for 3 minutes and then press start. Have you checked out Air Fryer Easy Everyday yet? Following on from the success of the Complete Air Fryer Cookbook, it has over 140 everyday air fryer recipes for you to follow along with at home in your air fryer. Perfect for different types of air fryers too, as it covers the air fryer oven, basket and dual air fryers, as well as some fun recipes if you're cooking for one. So what you're waiting for? Go and order yourself a copy now and you will not be disappointed. It's from 12 years of air frying. And we've beeped. So, oh wow, I can feel those now. They are lovely and warm. Oh, they're a bit warm to touch actually, but can you believe that? 3 minutes to reheat up some of your leftover chips. So I'm just going to use a tea towel to get them out because they're quite warm. Pop them out. Oh. And then it's the time for the cheese. So grab your cheese, pop it in. I'm going to go with 4 minutes at 160 this time. So turn it back on again. And then press start. And we'll be back in 4. And we've beeped. So shall we check on that cheese? Is it dunkable? Now that is the question. Have I done it for long enough? Oh yes, look at that. Look at that. Oh yes, look at that. Doesn't that look fantastic? That's how amazingly quick it is to reheat your Camembert. Because I'm about the only one in the house that eats it because the others aren't bothered for the chili flakes on it and such like. And I can't eat a full one in one sitting. So it's nice to have some in the fridge to go back to that you can just quickly reheat. Oh, that's so good. Oh, I love the cheese. Remember, you can do the same thing with brie as well. And just keep it in the container that you plan to re-air fry it in, and then it's ready, and then you can just have it back, warmed up, ready for serving. Thanks so much for watching our YouTube video. It feels so amazing that you've stuck around to the end. And of course, that must mean that you like our videos. So why not also follow us on social media? You can find us at the Kitchen Gadgets Club on Facebook and on Pinterest, TikTok. We're Kitchen Gadgets Club. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos like this one. And you can also find us at KitchenGadgetsClub.com, where we have a membership that shares brand new kitchen gadget recipes every week. And we also have lots of great ideas, resources, tips and tricks. And we are an ovenless kitchen, so we teach you exclusively how to cook with kitchen gadgets. And a ciao for now.